One of the common problems we are facing nowadays is water pollution caused due to industrial and animal waste.
Through this video, we want to give you basic idea of wastewater, or technically I should say sewage treatment system.
First of all, we should know what is sewage.
Basically, sewage is water carried waste in solution or suspension form, characterized by volume, rate of flow, physical conditions, and most important, chemical constituents and bacteriological organisms.
Moving towards its treatment. Sewage treatment comprises upon the following steps. First step, preliminary treatment. Second, primary treatment. Third, secondary treatment. And last is tertiary or advanced treatment.
First of all, we will discuss about preliminary treatment. In this phase, we separate hard objects from water. For this purpose, water is passed through screens which doesn't allow larger objects to pass through it. The particles which float or suspend are removed through floating, and those particles which can't be separated either by screening or floating are separated through grit removal. Sand, ash or eggshells which can't be separated by above two steps are separated through grit removal.
Now coming towards primary treatment. In this phase, organic solids are removed by sedimentation and skimming. Sedimentation. The solid particles are settled down at bottom and after some specific time they are removed. Skimming. The solid particles floating on surface of sewage can be skimmed off by using proper technique.
Now coming towards secondary treatment. In this process, we separate dissolved and non-settling organic solids. This process comprises of two basic steps, aerobic process and anaerobic process.
Aerobic process. It comprises of two steps. Complex organic compounds are oxidized, and secondly, the products formed as a result of oxidation are insoluble and can be separated by simple filtration. The best example of this method is activated sludge.
Here we must tell you what is activated sludge process. Activated sludge process is a biochemical process for treating sewage and industrial wastewater that uses oxygen or air and microorganisms to biologically oxidize organic pollutants. What we basically do, in an aeration tank, air is injected and thoroughly mixed into the active time. When it completely settles, it is easily removed. Now we will discuss the final step, tertiary or advanced treatment. If we are concerned with the disinfection, then it is the final process. It is also called effluent polishing. In this process, nutrients are removed. The basic nutrients which are removed are nitrogen and phosphorus. Nitrogen is removed by oxidation of nitrogen, which results in formation of nitrate from ammonia gas. The phosphorus is removed through an activity of bacteria called polyphosphate accumulating organism, and the removed product has highly fertilized value which can be further used.
Effluent sludge handling. Now we can use products as soil conditioning, fertilizer or simply dump. The effluent can be used for agriculture or simply we can drain it without any hesitation, because this water will not be polluted or cause harm to our environment.
Through this process, the basic dangerous characteristics of water are removed, but it is not as clean as drinkable water. Only in Singapore this technique is available, that you can convert the sewage water into drinking water through proper system. But Other than Singapore, this system is not working or installed. We hope this video helped you to understand the basic structure of water treatment or sewage treatment system. And we are thankful to you guys that you watch our video. And finally, we are going to introduce the group members which cooperated or worked hard to compile this video. Zishan Rafiq
Hatif Mahmood.
and Harun bin Ishaq. And we are thankful to Ma'am Zara who allowed us to make this video and let ourselves to increase our knowledge and help others through this video.